Hi guys, just want to show you what my sun porch garden is doing. Look at this. This is my broccoli that's sprouting, and look at my spinach. It is up, and these are some beans coming up. And I don't see anything else coming except, well, this is the squash. Look like something is going on there. And this is parsley, in which the parsley is from last year. But I'm excited about what I see sprouting already. And I am just waiting. I went to Home Depot today and I was able to finally find some collard seeds and mustard seeds. I was looking for turnips, but they didn't have those. These are the Burpee Organics for the collards and tender green Burpee mustard seeds. So I will be getting those in the ground this week. But just wanted you guys to see what progress I'm making with my little sunroom or sun porch gardening. Here it is, y'all, and I just finished watering. You can see the water on the porch, and here it is. Here it is, y'all. Thank you so much for hopping on and supporting, commenting, giving me the thumbs up, ringing that bell, and ask questions and suggest what you would like. And here it is. Here it is. Thanks to all of my supporters. I love you all. And I will come to you as the garden progresses and let you see what's happening here. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more, and I will talk to you guys on the very next video. Again, let me show you my seeds. I am so excited about my seeds because I really want to get these green seeds in the ground. And I had been looking, I had looked at 3 or 4 stores and I didn't see them. So today I went to Home Depot and was able to find them. I'll still keep looking for some turnip seeds. They didn't have those, but I'll check back with them probably in another week and see if they have some of those in. But this is it for the garden, guys. Look at that. I love, love, love to see things grow. Talk to you guys soon. Bye now.